Welcome to Multiple Choice Question 6 of the 2010 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution and examination advice for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. And now before we move on, I'd just like to point out that the CAS calculator could be used to assist in answering this question, but it's not necessarily the most efficient method. So for question 6 we have a function g with a domain of R has the following properties. Its derivative, g dashed of x, is equal to x squared minus 2x, and the graph of g of x is known to pass through the point 1, 0. And we're asked to find the rule for g of x. So the first thing that we know is that g of x would be equal to the integral of g dashed of x, and that's with respect to x. So therefore g of x would equal the integral of x squared subtract 2x dx. And now if we go on to compute that, we'd find that g of x is equal to, and we add 1 to the power, so we'd get x to the power of 3, and then we divide by the new power, and then we'd subtract 2x to the power of 2 and divide by the new power, and when we integrate we also get plus c, which is a constant of integration which takes into account any vertical translations that were lost during differentiation. So next we need to use the information that g of x passes through 1, 0. So we're going to substitute that in. So we have g of 1 is equal to 1 cubed over 3 is just a third, minus, and this is just really x squared because the 2's would cancel. So we have subtract 1, and then we have plus c, and we know that that needs to equal 0. So therefore we find minus 2/3 plus c is equal to 0. So therefore the c value is equal to positive 213. And that gives c as the correct answer to this question. In the examiner's report we can see that almost 80% of students got this question correct. So it was very well done in this exam. And that option B was the most common incorrect response given. And that was obtained if the constant was not considered.